Losing a loved one is one of life's most profound and difficult experiences. In those quiet moments of grief, making important decisions about final arrangements can feel overwhelmingly heavy. While traditional burials have long been the standard, today more families than ever before are choosing cremation as a final tribute to honor those they have lost.
Yet, despite its growing prevalence around the world, the actual process of cremation often remains a sensitive mystery to many. In this video, we want to gently demystify cremation. Our ultimate goal is to walk you through the entire journey with the utmost respect, care, and clarity, so you can understand exactly what happens, step by step.
The journey of cremation begins with profound respect and care. When a loved one arrives at the funeral home or crematorium, the very first step is providing comfort and guidance to the grieving family. Dedicated professionals ensure that every detail is handled with dignity during this difficult transition.
Before any part of the process can move forward, strict legal and ethical protocols must be followed. Funeral directors meticulously review official documents, including death certificates and signed cremation authorizations. In many cases, a family member will formally identify their loved one, ensuring absolute certainty and peace of mind. To maintain an unbroken chain of custody, a highly secure identification process is established immediately. A unique identification tag, often a durable metal disc or specialized wristband, is assigned to the deceased. This non-combustible tag stays with them throughout the entire cremation process, guaranteeing their identity is protected and tracked every single step of the way. Before the cremation can begin, a vital preparation process takes place behind the scenes, prioritizing both dignity and safety. The deceased is brought into a clean, sterile preparation room where trained funeral directors handle them with the utmost care and respect.
A crucial step in this environment is the removal of any battery-operated medical devices, most commonly pacemakers. Because the cremation chamber operates at extreme temperatures, these batteries can explode with immense force, posing a severe danger to the operators and potentially damaging the chamber's brick lining. Once these vital safety checks and removals are complete, the focus returns to presenting the departed with honor. The individual is carefully draped in a simple, dignified combustible shroud or dressed in chosen clothing, and then placed into a rigid container, ready for the next phase. A modern crematory is far from the dark imagery of the past. Today, these facilities are highly regulated, clean, and technologically advanced environments. At the heart of this operation is the cremation chamber, professionally known as a retort. These industrial furnaces are engineered to safely contain extreme heat. Inside, the retort is lined with specialized refractory bricks. These act as exceptional insulators, trapping heat within the chamber while protecting the outer steel shell. Multiple gas burners ensure an even distribution of heat. The process is carefully monitored via an automated control panel. Operators track parameters like oxygen flow and temperatures, which range between 1,400 and 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure complete cremation. Once the cremation process begins, the container is introduced into the primary chamber of the cremator. This is a highly controlled environment designed for maximum efficiency and safety. The door seals completely, and powerful burners ignite, flooding the space with intense heat. Inside, the temperature rapidly climbs. Modern cremation chambers typically operate at extreme temperatures, ranging between 1,400 and 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Advanced airflow systems circulate this tremendous heat evenly throughout the chamber. Over the next 1 to 3 hours, the intense heat breaks down the organic matter. The water in the body vaporizes, and tissues combust in a sterile, carefully monitored reaction. What might seem chaotic is actually a precise, computerized process that continuously adjusts oxygen and fuel levels to maintain the perfect environment. By the end of this combustion phase, all organic material has been completely consumed by the flames. What remains are not ashes in the traditional sense, but calcified bone fragments, completely sterilized by the extreme heat, ready for the next crucial step in their final preparation. Once the cremation process is complete,
the chamber must cool down before the next steps can begin. A technician, wearing heavy, heat-resistant gloves, carefully opens the retort door. Using specialized tools, usually a long-handled rake and a wire brush, the technician meticulously sweeps the remaining bone fragments into a stainless steel cooling tray. What remains are not ashes in the traditional sense, but actually bone fragments. These light-colored fragments are primarily calcium phosphates. Because they are still extremely hot, the collection tray is immediately transferred to a dedicated cooling station. Here, powerful fans help bring the remains down to room temperature so they can be safely processed further. After the primary cremation phase concludes and the materials have fully cooled, what is left behind is not the fine powder most people envision. Instead, the process leaves coarse bone fragments. To achieve the familiar ash texture, these delicate pieces are carefully gathered and placed into a specialized processing machine called a cremulator. Inside the cremulator, a powerful rotating mechanism goes to work. Whether using heavy-duty blades or a ball milling system, the machine respectfully and efficiently pulverizes the brittle bone fragments. Over the course of just a few minutes, this mechanical processing breaks down the larger pieces, grinding them into a smooth, sand-like texture. The end result is what society commonly calls ashes, though professionals use the term cremated remains. The transformation is profound. The coarse, irregular fragments are completely reduced to a fine, uniform powder, ranging from pale gray to white, finally ready to be placed into an urn and returned to the family. After the cremation process is entirely complete, the ashes are ready for their final resting place. Families select a cremation urn, which can range from traditional polished brass and elegant carved wood to eco-friendly biodegradable materials. A funeral director carefully transfers the processed remains into a durable protective bag before placing them inside the chosen urn. The vessel is then tightly sealed to ensure the utmost security and respect for the deceased. Finally, the urn is compassionately presented to the grieving family, alongside an official cremation certificate. From here, the family can choose to keep the urn at home, bury it in a peaceful cemetery, or scatter the ashes in a meaningful location. Ultimately, the decision of how we care for our departed loved ones is deeply personal. Throughout the entire cremation process, professionals are dedicated to maintaining the utmost dignity and respect. Whether families choose to scatter the ashes in a meaningful location, keep them close in a memorial urn, or incorporate them into lasting keepsakes, the focus remains on honoring a unique life and bringing comfort to those left behind. Thank you so much for joining us as we explored the complete cremation process. We hope this video has demystified the journey, giving you a clear understanding of what happens at each step. From the careful preparation of the deceased to the actual cremation process, the final processing of the remains, and the respectful return of the ashes to the family, every stage is handled with dignity and care. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. We also invite you to share your own experiences or ask any questions you might have in the comments section below. We read every single one. For more resources, detailed guides, and personalized guidance, please visit us at funeralus.com. Thank you again for watching, and until next time, take care.